When we see the moon of the month of Ramadan, we must start fasting. So what should we do? First, we make our intention, niyyah. We can say, I am fasting this whole month of Ramadan for Allah only. Now we cannot do these things from early morning until sunset. We cannot eat and drink. You can brush your teeth, but don't swallow anything. Don't breathe in thick dust on purpose, like the smoke from a truck. If you vomit on purpose, it will break your fast. But if you are sick and you vomit, it's okay. Telling a lie about Allah or the prophets and imams is haram, and it will break your fast. If you don't know something is true, it's better not to say it. We should also not put our head completely underwater, like swimming. Taking a shower is okay. If you did those things on purpose, you will have to redo the fast and fast for another 60 days, or feed 60 poor people for each day that you missed on purpose. But if you are sick, you just do the fast again when you get better